In my last video, I showed you how to create an easy no-sew face mask using a t-shirt, a pair of scissors, and paper towel filters. Today I'm going to go over how you can modify the original design for better fit, such as if the mask is too big, or if it's too tight, or if your second layer is too loose. Let's begin. If your mask is too big, put it on your head and gather the excess material by pinching it together. Use your free hand to mark your mask with a marker. Next, take the mask off and lay it face down on a table. Put your thumbs at each mark and pinch into the fabric, bringing your thumbs together to make a fold. Lay the fold down and staple through it, being careful not to accidentally staple the front and the back of the masks together. You can also sew or safety pin the fold down if you prefer. If your mask is too tight, put your mask face down on a table. Take a pair of scissors and cut through the band in the back. Take a small piece of elastic and bridge the two sides of the band using a stapler, thread, or safety pins. Don't leave too large of a gap, otherwise the mask may become too large. If you don't have elastic, any stretchy material will do. For example, you can take a sock and cut it twice horizontally to make an elastic band. If your second layer is not tight enough against your face, then we can fix this by making more ear holes. Take your second layer and pull it snugly up and backwards so that it just covers your ears. As we did in the last video, grab a marker and mark where your ear begins and ends, drawing a horizontal and vertical line. Do the same for the other side. Then, cut each of your new lines, and your mask will now have 4 ear holes. Thanks for watching, and thank you for wearing your masks out in public, for your safety and ours.